passion, no discipline, no motivation. Someone's sitting in a room by themselves and they figure themselves out and say, God, this is gonna fucking suck. Where's passion when you're 300 pounds? Where's the motivation when you can't read and write? Where is it? I said, maybe at the end of this journey, there'll be something there for me. There's no fucking hack, bro. There's no fucking hack. To grow that thing, how do you grow it? Do it, and do it, and do it, and do it. That's the hack. They will see what they want to see. I don't want to live like that. Good. Good. And you will live exactly the way you live now, questioning who you are, wondering what is possible, wondering what you are capable of doing. That's how that looks. How do you want to live? How do you want to die? How do you want to fucking be remembered? That's it. That's it. Period.
Pain is one of the most feared feelings, and for good reason. I mean, nobody nowadays wants to seek unpleasant sensations or discomfort, but it can be one of the most powerful weapons to improve yourself. And in my opinion, the greatest lessons in life are learned through pain. So that's why in today's video I am gonna show you why you need more pain in order to grow as a person. Hi, my name is Adrian, an engineer student. On this channel we help young people who, like me, want to strengthen their minds, their bodies, and cultivate their wealth to live a life that they are proud of. So if you are new here, consider subscribing. So let's start with the importance of pain. You see, the feeling of pain is biologically associated with a crucial part of the body's defense mechanism. For example, touching a hot surface causes pain, leading to a person getting out of fire to avoid burns. Also, it is associated with unpleasant sensations and emotional impact. That means that pain leads to discomfort, and discomfort can make you grow by getting out of that maze of survival. Why? Because pushing yourself and suffering out of your comfort zone will make you grow by getting the experience or the mental strength for any hard moment in your life. Think about it, if you go every day at 5 AM like David Goggins, you will have more mental strength. If you go to the gym consistently, you will suffer from the fatigue and the soreness of your muscles. But you know it's for a future good, because you want an aesthetic physique. Or if you invest a big part of your money onto an index fund every month, you will suffer, because you don't want to get money out of your bank account, but your wealth will grow over time. Sometimes, and very frequently in life, you have to force yourself and get out of your comfort zone, or pass through that barrier of suffer and continue to go on and grow. And that will push you on something you want to become. Without any suffering and pain, our life is meaningless. Because if anything you want in your life is easy and simple, and you don't have to do any effort to get it, what is the meaning of it? It doesn't make any sense. If it is easy, it is not valuable. So let's talk about how you can implement pain. But first of all, you have to know how to manage suffering and pain, because it can be counteracting. Pain always have to be balanced with a reward. If you have a life of suffering, it will not be sustainable. The idea is that you get out of your comfort zone. That means doing things that you don't do so often or that you don't like. I will give you some ideas that I applied. Take cold showers. For me, this is the hardest of all. The sensation of the comfort on getting on the shower is the best way to start a day. The worst thing is that it never gets easier. For much times you do it for months, you still will get the fringe. Going to the gym and doing all your sets near to failure. Like really feeling the contraction and the squeeze on the muscle. Obviously it will hurt, but on the long term you will be building so much muscle. I tried surf in the past and it was very hard and absolutely very uncomfortable. Like when you have to get a wave to ride it, when you have to paddle to get back to where the waves were, and when the waves hit you at the face every time. You don't have to do this sport that I did, because for you it can be so much easier. And finally, go to bed and wake up earlier. Consistently. It seems not so much of a deal, but it can get very difficult, especially with the distractions we have on the palm of our hands. That's what I did to apply in my habits the feeling of pain. But you can do a lot more of things. Just get out of your comfort zone. I hope this video helps you understand this powerful tool and how to use it for this new year. And if you want to make 2024 the best year of your life, you should check out this video over here or here where I talk how to do exactly that. See you in the next one. Bye bye.